Alright, welcome back. Now we're going to look at the Jayco Ranger caravans and motorhomes. As you know, I'm a bit of a Jayco fanboy, picking our new Jayco up in a week. You probably have it by the time this video comes out. They have got a couple of new models and floor layouts for the 2020 range, so let's go check those out. Alright, so this is the bunk model version of the Jayco. This is just the 2-bunk model. We're picking up the 3-bunk model next week. Oh, I'm excited. We've got the same cafe style seating, they call it, the L-shaped lounge, which I'm pumped about because we can all kind of sit around there. Family can sit around there. They have an awesome bathroom, the Jaycos. Here you go. Full shower, toilet, sink. Loads of storage down the back, which is one thing I like about them. Loads of storage for the kids. So that was one thing we like. 3 drawers. Cupboard space for your kids. Yeah, really nice. This is actually the slightly longer model. This is a meter longer than ours, and it's got the island bed at the front. Oh, here's Harvey. Island bed at the front rather than the east-west bed, which our one has. So ours is a meter shorter than this. So that bed is basically flipped around like that. One thing I didn't check when we bought ours was this pantry space here, which seems pretty decent. Yeah, nice big storage there. I guess you've also got storage up here above the kitchen as well, which is pretty important. The storage for us is pretty key. Yeah, plenty of storage up the front as well, and then like I said, down the back here for the kids. You know, they'll end up with a drawer each for their clothes, and probably a shelf each in here for toys and that sort of thing. The bunks are quite cool in this one. They've got their own light up the top. And they've also got USB ports down there. Not that Harvey will have an iPad or anything, but when he's older, that's quite neat. Light up there, and also their own window, which I think is really nice. And they've got blinds that pull up, and a little window and curtains on each window. So I think that's quite a nice touch for each kid to have their own sort of little space, I guess. So this is Jayco's new Optimum range built on the Sprinter chassis. So a narrow van, park these things anywhere, perfect for 2 people, but it's got their really high standard of fit out. Really nice. So this one's built on the brand new Sprinter chassis, beautiful big captain's chairs and spare seat here. So 3 of you can travel, and this person gets their own little table and USB and 12-volt ports there, which is nice, and a beautiful big window. Nice, well-appointed kitchen. Where's the fridge, Harvey? Where's the fridge?
And here.
Yep, fridge there. Plenty of storage under there. Got your 3-burner gas stove under here. Power, oh, showers over here. Yep, it's got a wet bath in this one, so I don't know. Depends on your preference. So this is Jayco's smallest model in the Journey range, 16 foot long. Still's got the lovely big island bed up the front, all the storage, all the plugs, the lights. Just here it's got the L-shaped dinette seating, which is beautiful. A nice big rear bathroom here, ceramic bowl again, and ceramic toilet, which is nice to see. And this one's actually got some full freezer in it again, which is awesome. Microwave and a full oven. I really rate having a full oven when you're out and about, especially with kids. You want to bake something, cook a dinner. An oven's pretty key. I know some people get away with just using a barbecue or a stovetop, but I really like the oven. A nice big sink, which is deep. Got the cool chopping board top on there, so you've got plenty of space to do the washing up. And TV here on a beautiful swivel. Watch it in bed or watch it over on the chairs at the dinette there, so that's really smart. It's also got nice big windows as well. Another thing I noticed about the Jaycos is these big front windows, which are really awesome, because you know, you parked up on a beach, you don't want to be sitting inside looking out some little windows. You want to sit inside and see that view. Yeah, that big L-shaped dinette seating, heaps of overhead storage, which is awesome. Heaps of storage in the kitchen, heaps of storage down here that Harvey's discovering. Alright, well this is a new release, the 2020 model of Jayco, and check it out. U-shaped dinette seating down the back. That's awesome. Oh, this has got a mid bathroom. You don't see this on the Jaycos. Jaycos love a rear bathroom. This one's got a mid bathroom here. So you got your toilet, sink on one side, nice big toilet, nice ceramic bowl there. And then over this side, you got your shower with extractor fan. Nice big shower there as well. And then a rear bedroom, which is nice. Got the his and hers USB ports on either side and little pockets to put your devices at night while you're charging. Little bedside table pockets, which is really nice. Check out the windows in here. I can't really see out that one. Beautiful big awning style windows. Oh yeah, space over this side to mount a TV, which is nice. You can lie in bed and watch TV. And that big window at the front's really nice as well. If you're parked in that way to a beach or something, yeah, really beautiful. So one bonus of this mid-bathroom style is you can shut this back area off if one of you is still asleep. So if you've got guests and you don't want guests walking through your bedroom to get to the toilet, well, you shut the bedroom off and they can access the toilet and shower there. It's also really helpful if you've got guests staying up the front in your dinette that want to use the toilet during the night. It's in the middle of both rooms essentially. They're not walking around your bed to get to the toilet, that sort of thing. So in our model, we'll actually end up walking past the kids' bunks at night to go to the toilet. So I guess we'll just have to be a bit quiet as to not wake them up. In that one we looked at before, each bunk actually has a curtain that slides across each bunk, so it doesn't sort of enclose them. As long as you're quiet, there shouldn't see any lights turning on or that sort of thing. Alright, so this is the Jayco Silverline range. This is their premium tier of caravan, top of the range. Look at these bench tops, beautiful bench tops, tiled splashbacks. You got huge fridge freezers. Look at that leather dinette around the front, club lounge. It's really beautiful. Let's go have a look at the bathroom. Nice black sink, check that out. Black hardware. Nice. Ooh, it's got the washing machine. Ooh, washing machine in there. Plenty of storage for your towels. What's in here? Oh, closet storage in there. Medicine cabinet up here. Really well appointed. And look at the shower. Nice black hardware in the shower. Big glass door. Beautiful shower. These are really nice, these Silverlines. This is quite a nice layout, this one. You've got your kitchen at the front with a big window. And then dinette here, but also sort of couch space over here. I think a TV comes up out of here as well, which is pretty amazing. And you've got a TV in your bedroom. More TVs here than there was in our house. And you got that same bathroom down the back, same layout. This actually, the slide on this one is the entire length of the van there. So both the couch and the bed slide out on this one. These Silverlines are really beautiful. Everything's primo. Look at this fridge. It's got like a fancy LED display on there. Beautiful fridge. You got like a Google Alexa in there as well, or Amazon Alexa rather. You've even got the option of these ones of a pull-out barbecue on the front, pull-out storage, external TV mounts if you want to take your TV off the bracket in here and mount it outside to sit outside and watch the game or something, which is pretty incredible. Really nice finish.